Your alarm goes off at 6 a.m., and you already want to go back to sleep. You have school in less than an hour. Your uniform isn't ready. Your hair is a mess. You haven't packed your bag. And somehow, you're still lying in bed. Sounds familiar? Well, don't worry, because in today's video, we're turning that chaotic school morning into a quick, productive, and actually realistic 6 a.m. routine. I'll show you how to wake up, get ready, do your skincare, fix your hair, have a quick breakfast, organize your school bag, and leave the house on time without spending your entire morning getting ready. So if you're starting school soon and want your mornings to feel less stressful and way more organized, keep watching, because we're starting at 6 a.m. Wake up at 6 a.m. Okay, the alarm just went off. And honestly, the first 5 minutes are probably going to be the hardest part of the entire morning. But here's the rule, don't touch your phone. I know, you're probably thinking, I'll just check one notification. But we both know how that ends. One notification becomes one video becomes 5 videos, and suddenly it's 6:30 and you're still in bed. So instead, turn your alarm off, sit up, open your curtains, and let some light into your room. Take a few deep breaths, stretch your arms, and give yourself a minute to wake up. You don't have to jump out of bed feeling super energetic. Just get yourself moving, and if you constantly struggle with waking up, try placing your alarm somewhere away from your bed. That way, you actually have to stand up to turn it off. And once you're already standing, don't get back into bed. Trust me, that bed is dangerous at 6 a.m. Water and quick room reset at 6:05 a.m. Now that we're finally out of bed, let's drink some water. You don't need a fancy morning drink. Just grab a glass or bottle of water and drink it before starting your routine. Then do a super quick room reset. Nothing crazy. Just make your bed, put your pajamas somewhere neat, open your curtains, and pick up anything that's lying around. This should only take a few minutes. And honestly, starting your morning with a clean room makes everything feel so much more organized. You don't want to come home after a long school day and see a completely messy room waiting for you. So we're fixing that now. Freshen up at 6:10 a.m. Now it's time to actually wake ourselves up. Head to the bathroom, brush your teeth, wash your face, and freshen up. This is usually the point where you start feeling much more awake. For skincare, keep it simple. You don't need a 10-step routine before school. Just use the products that normally work for you. Cleanser if you use one, moisturizer, and sunscreen if you're going outside. And that's it. Your school morning isn't the time to try 5 new skincare products. Because the last thing we need is irritated skin right before school. The goal is to feel fresh and comfortable, not to spend half the morning in the bathroom. Get dressed at 6:25 a.m. Now it's time to get dressed. And if there's one thing that can make your morning so much easier, it's preparing your outfit the night before. Seriously, do it. Put your uniform, socks, shoes, accessories, and anything else you need in one place before you go to sleep. Because nobody wants to stand in front of their closet at 6:30 in the morning thinking, what am I supposed to wear? If you wear a school uniform, even better. Just make sure it's clean, ironed, and ready to go. Once you're dressed, quickly check yourself in the mirror. Make sure everything looks neat, your shoes are ready, and you have everything you need. Simple, fast, done. Hair and simple get ready at 6:40. Now let's fix the hair. And honestly, school mornings are not the time to try a hairstyle that takes 45 minutes. Keep it simple. A neat ponytail, braid, bun, half-up hairstyle, or even just brushing your hair properly can look really cute. If you're allowed to wear a little makeup, keep that simple too. Maybe some lip balm, a little blush, brushed brows, or whatever makes you feel comfortable. And remember, you don't need makeup to look good. Being clean, fresh, and confident is already enough. The whole point of this routine is to get ready fast. So don't turn your 5-minute routine into a 1-hour beauty session. Breakfast at 6:55 a.m. Okay, now we're at the part you should not skip. Breakfast. I know mornings can get busy, but try not to leave the house without eating anything. You don't need to make a huge breakfast. Keep it quick and simple. Toast and eggs, cereal and fruit, yogurt, oatmeal, a sandwich, whatever works for you, and don't forget your water. While you're eating, this is also a perfect time to quickly check your school schedule. Do you have a test today? A presentation? A project? A class where you need something special? Take 30 seconds and check, because being prepared in the morning is so much better than remembering something 5 minutes before leaving. School bag check at 7:10 a.m. Now it's time for the most important part, the school bag check. Before you leave, quickly make sure you have your books, notebooks, pencil case, homework, water bottle, lunch, and anything else you need for the day. And here's a little trick. Don't pack your bag in the morning. Pack it at night. Your morning should be about getting ready, not running around your room looking for a missing notebook. If you have homework to submit, put it directly into your bag the night before. If you need a project, put it somewhere you'll see it. Basically, make it impossible for your morning self to forget it, because your morning self is tired. We can't trust her. Quick final check at 7:15 a.m. Okay, we're almost ready. Before leaving, do one final check. Phone? Check. Keys? Check. Bag? Check. Water? Check. Homework? Please check. And if you have a few extra minutes, take a quick look at your timetable. Knowing what classes you have today can make you feel much more prepared. If there's a test, don't panic and try to learn an entire chapter right before school. Instead, quickly review a few important formulas, definitions, or key points. Just a quick reminder, not a whole study session, because your morning should feel calm, not stressful. Final minute reset at 7:20 a.m. Before you leave, take 5 minutes to reset your space. Put away anything you used while getting ready. Put your pajamas away. Make sure your desk isn't covered in random things. You don't have to clean your entire room. Just make it look decent. Because when you come home from school, having a clean and peaceful room waiting for you feels so much better. And if you still have a couple of minutes, take a deep breath and just relax. You made it. You're ready. Your bag is packed. You're dressed. You've eaten. And now you're ready to start the day. And that's our 6 a.m. school morning routine. But remember, a productive morning doesn't mean waking up at 5 a.m., journaling for an hour, exercising, making a fancy breakfast, and doing a 20-step skincare routine. Your morning routine should work for you. Maybe you wake up at 6, maybe 6:30. That's completely okay. The goal is simply to have enough time to get ready, eat something, organize your things, and leave without feeling stressed. And the biggest secret to an easier morning: prepare the night before. Pack your school bag, prepare your uniform, check your timetable, finish your homework, fill your water bottle, and set your alarm. And don't compare your mornings to what you see online. Some mornings will be productive, and some will be messy. That's normal. You don't need a perfect morning to have a good day. So remember, wake up, drink some water, freshen up, get dressed, eat breakfast, check your bag, and leave feeling prepared. Prepare tonight so tomorrow is easier. You're allowed to be tired. You're allowed to have slow mornings. Just try to make each morning a little better than the last. And remember, small steps every morning can make your whole school day feel happier, calmer, and more productive. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck with the new school year. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.